Hello students, this is Professor Panchashala Pillevar going to present a demand management from the energy management subset of T electrical. First of all, we have to consider what is a demand side management. Demand side management, that is a DSM program, encourage the customer to reduce their energy use when energy demand are the highest, and to shift their uses to time when cheap and renewable energy is plentiful on the grid. Basically, this DSM program encourage the customer to reduce their uses and to shift their uses whenever peak hours are there. DSM program includes energy efficiency investment, time variant pricing such as time of use rates, and demand response program. In the energy efficiency investment, it allows each unit of electricity to be used more effectively and lowering the demand throughout the day. In the time variant pricing, such as the time of use rates, during a time of a high demand, the price will be higher. Customers are incentivized to use less during those times and to use more when demand is low and electricity is cheap. Demand response program provide the financial incentives to reduce energy uses during the periods of the peak demand if the utility calls an event. First of all, we are going to consider the agriculture side demand management. In agriculture sector, water pump motor sets are the main energy consuming device. Therefore, this agriculture demand side program concentrates on the reducing the power consumptions of the water pump motor sets and improving the efficiency of a groundwater extraction. Therefore, it reduces the subsidy burden on the state utilities. As per the sources, in the year of 2022, in Maharashtra, it is around 5,000 crore is given as a subsidy to the farmers. By this agriculture demand side program, investment in the power plant through the avoided capacity has to be done. The first question is that why the agriculture demand side program is important. Here the answer is because over the 70% of the rural household depends on the agriculture. Agriculture is an important sector of the Indian economy as it contributes around 17% to the total GDP and provides employment to over 60% of the population. As per the available data, more than 2.1 crore pump sets are installed in the agriculture sector. Majority of the pump sets are the inefficient. Static shows that 2.5 to 5 lakhs new pump sets connections added every year to this sector. The average capacity of the agriculture pump in India is around 5 HP with efficiency level lowering around 25 to 30%. Unfortunately, these pump sets are inefficient, largely because farmers have no incentives to invest in the highest cost, higher efficiency pump sets due to the low electricity tariffs for agriculture consumers. This has resulted in increased annual subsidy burden on the state governments, which has grown to more than 65,000 crore per annum. Subsidies reveal that about 30 to 40% energy saving is possible in agriculture sector by by the adoption of energy efficient star labeled pump sets. AGDSM pilot projects. The first AGDSM pilot project in Solapur, Maharashtra. The first pilot AGDSM project is being implemented in the Mangalveda subdivision of the Solapur district in Maharashtra. Under the project, total 2,209 pump sets is replaced. It is of course in the free of cost for the farmers with the energy efficient star rated pumps sets reflected annual energy savings of 6.1 million units. This particular program considered under the BEE program. Thank you, students.